Okay, welcome back. And of course, this is Python for Beginners, and we're going to take a look at the escape character. So that's the backslash. So we're going to take a look at it from a couple of different perspectives, and I already have my code in place. I'm going to review, run it, and then we'll talk about it. So up here, I've got hello and welcome to my program. And in fact, all the way through the program, it says hello and welcome to my program. So we're going to take a look at what's going to happen and using the escape character, what will happen down here. So up here, I have a message and I'm going to print my message. It says hello and welcome to my program. And it has quotations. So we know that in order to print a string or create a string, we have to put it in quotes. Now we could use double quotes or single quotes. However, I just happen to have my string message in double quotes, but inside of those quotes, I have other double quotes. So that causes some confusion with Python because it has quotes inside of a quotes. Now, if I were to do this and put these in single quotes, Python actually likes that. So I have double quotes and inside I have single quotes, which means it will print out everything inside of those double quotes. So it would print out hello and welcome would have single quotes around it. But what if I actually wanted double quotes around it? And I'm going to put my double quotes back. Okay. What actually happens with that? Well, it's going to run an error because it doesn't know what to do with these, double quotes inside of the other double quotes. Okay, so we need to figure out a way of doing that, and we'll talk about that. However, I do have my other print statement, and I'm going to show it to you now, and then I'm going to show you how to do it correctly. So what if we use the escape character? And it says hello and escape, quote, welcome, quote, escape to my program. Well, as you can already see, this is having some issues just trying to figure out what it is I'm trying to do. So if I run this, let's go ahead and run it. Well, the first thing it's doing is saying that on line 1, I've got a problem. And it's a syntax error. So this says this is all wrong. Okay, I can't use double quotes inside other double quotes. I need to figure out a way of putting double quotes around a word inside a double quoted quote, if that makes sense. So let's go ahead and take this out. I'm going to comment this out and we'll save it and we'll run it this way. This is also throwing a syntax error because again, it doesn't know what to do up here on line 5. I've got my backslash, my escape character in the wrong place. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it the correct way. So I'm going to go ahead and comment this out. I'm going to save my program. I'm going to go ahead and run it. Now this is going to go ahead and run everything. And so let's talk about everything I have going on with my program. So I'm using the escape character. And what I want to be able to do with the escape character here is actually put the word welcome into double quotes. And so I have to put the escape character in front of the quote and then before the quotes here. And this will put my word welcome inside of my quotation marks, my double quotation marks. Then I have got number 2. Number 2 down here says hello and welcome to my program. And I have here an escape character plus the letter N. And the N is going to be new line. So what I want to do here, or what will happen here, is put hello and then throw the carriage back to the next line. Welcome to my program, keeping the double quotes all the way in place. So it says hello and welcome to my program. It'll say hello and then below it, welcome to my program. Over here, I have got a concatenation. So we're going to add 2 quotes together. However, this time what I want to do is hello and welcome to my program. However, this is a return. Okay, so I just want to push this welcome to my program back to the left side of my program when it prints out, and that will actually take away this part of the string. Okay, so I'll just print out welcome to my program. This one says hello and welcome to my program. However, the escape character has a T next to it, and that's a tab function. So we want to do hello and, in case you ever wanted to tab out a space. We could do as many of these as we need to, but this is just to show you how to use the tab keyword. So not the keyword, sorry, the tab escape character. Hello and welcome to my program. And then finally, we have number 5, and it says, hello and welcome to my program, but this is the escape character back, the B. We're going to backspace all the way out, bam, which is going to means everything we just wrote out here is going to backspace out here. So we're going to actually just see nothing but the 5. So let's take a look at how this program executes, and we'll run it. So again, hello and welcome to my program. As we said, we're looking for, let's scroll up, the word welcome in double quotes. When we go to number 2, which is right here, hello and welcome to my program, we want to go ahead and run welcome to my program on the next line, which is exactly what we do. Number 3 says hello and return welcome to my program. So we're just going to not include anything here, return welcome to my program. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. Here we have, well, hello and tab out, welcome to my program. Hello and tab, welcome to my program, just in case you need that space. And we'll talk about the value of that in a later video. And then finally, backspace out. So I've got the number 5, and I've got nothing down here. So all good. So hopefully you've learned something new here with the escape character, and I'll see you next time.